It's raining. This is why I am just, taking shelter. As you can see, I am at the bus stop right now. You know, I am here just because not getting wet in the rain. Also, you can see. Are you seeing it's raining? I guess it's raining. You can see this. And now I am here. I already said to you why I am here. But this is how I am. This is a helmet and this is a belt. I already fastened this so that if I am not explaining this because of its why I am, but let you can see this is not a toilet or urinal. Hi, he is standing his cycle and go to the mm, go to the wall and he started. This is why are you doing like this? This is not the way. And now, if I show you something, let's talk about today. I, when I woke up around and 8 a.m. today, and then I left for my office after getting ready. I already, show you because of, but before reaching there, before reaching to my office, it's pouring since then. And I'm not here, I'm just coming from my office and I'm just going to my, home. But in the way, I caught the rain. I'm not expressing what I want to, say, but I am trying. This is how, if I, improve myself 1% a day, if I improve and if I practice 1% a day, this is how I can improve my fluency. But if I not trying to, speak, if I listen, read and write, every people do these things, but they don't, able to speak in English. This is the actual reason why he is not, you know, gaining fluency because of they are not practicing English. Because of if you want to speak in English, you have to speak it out, whatever you want to speak, but speak. Because of there is a mind and mouth connection, muscle mind connection bolte na. My mother tongue is Hindi. This is why I, you can see in my videos, I unintentionally say some words in Hindi. I don't want to speak in Hindi, but sometimes it's unintentionally I speak it out. And now I can show you, you know I can describe the things. This is, I don't know what is it, but this is a, I don't know. This is a car, you can see, and this is some kinds of vehicle. This is the not highway. This is the road. This is the main road, but this is the local road. As you can see, we can see that road, a street. It's not a street. We can say it's also a street, but this is not a street. This is a main road because of there are many vehicles going here and there from this now, and the street is something using which I can get to our home. But if you are thinking using this road, without using this road, how can I you know reach to our destiny? But okay, but I am expressing how can I say and how can I practice more and more, because of I want to complicate my things. I want to complicate, and I want to give me conditions to speak it out, whether it may wrong, whether it may correct. But yes, this is not a parking area, but still the two wheeler, this is a scooty and another one is there, and there is car also. And now you can see the other vehicles, they are standing sides the road, because of it's raining, not so heavy, but it's raining. If I go in the now, I'm already wet. I am already wet. My clothes are not, my clothes are already wet. But this is why, if I talk about my fluency, this is why we can say I am just making my English because of he is looking at me in such a way. This is why I am making such kinds of word. How can I speak? You know how hard is to express our idea in English, because of I know the words, I know, but sometimes we failed. Sometimes we fail in making structure. This is why we all know. This is why also we feel how you know this. Sometimes my teacher, how can I say, my teacher said to me, okay, learn the word in a sentence, not a single word or a phrase, but use a word in a sentence. This is how you can express your ideas, express yourself in English. Because of, if you learn a word in a time or a phrase in a time, this is not kind of giving you a help. If you want to learn and use these words in your daily life, you have to you have to express the words in sentences, and you have to learn the word in sentences. If you make it the word in your daily life, or if you are using that word in a sentences, you will, how can I say, I don't have word to say this. And now the car is running on the road. As you can see, this is the scooty, and there is a man. This is a auto, and